Hey, the waiting is over and we finally have a champion locked in. Welcome into the Magic Final Four Championship finale. I'm your host, Brian, and happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Hi Mom. Today's championship finale is brought to you in part by those weird gift shops just off of Disney World property. Nothing makes you want to pull over that rental car more than a gigantic orange, a fantastical wizard head, or an enormous mermaid. If you followed along since the tournament began, you know that our field of 64 Disney classics was just narrowed down to the final 4. And over the last week, you had the opportunity to vote for your favorite, for which you believe is Disney's greatest animated film. So, for the last time, let's once again take a look at the 4 finalists.
Hey, Ham!
Toy Story.
Picasso!
I don't get it.
You uncultured swine! What are you looking at, you hockey puck?
Beauty and the Beast.
Attempt to be a gentleman, but she is being so difficult.
Gently.
Will you come down to dinner?
No.
Monsters, Inc.
Hey, this thing on? Hello, testing. Hey, good evening, how are you? Nice to see you. And hey, it's great to be here in your room. Where you from? Never mind, you're in kindergarten, right?
I laugh in the face of danger.
The Lion King.
Along with announcing today's winner, we also have another secondary award that we're looking forward to giving out. But before we get to that, it is time to eliminate the lowest vote getter. No, I've had enough of the hat. So, without further delay, here is who you picked as the 4th greatest Disney film of all time. The Cinderella story has been cut short. What an unbelievable run for Monsters, Inc., beating movies like Frozen, Peter Pan, and Cinderella just to make it this far. I tell you what, monsters can walk away with their head, or heads, if you're one of those kind of monsters, held high. So we're down to the final 3, Toy Story, Lion King, and Beauty and the Beast. It's now time to give out our secondary award for most dramatic princess collapse in the entire tournament. Look, characters have been dramatically falling since the dawn of the motion picture around 100 years ago. From Black Widow and Mufasa to King Kong and you on the Spider-Man ride at Universal Studios, the dramatic fall/collapse is likely the climax of every single film. So with that, here are the nominees for the most dramatic fall/collapse by a Disney princess.
Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. Tiana, Princess and the Frog. Pocahontas. Ariel, the Little Mermaid. Belle, Beauty and the Beast.
And the winner for most dramatic princess collapse/fall is Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. Unfortunately, Snow White couldn't be here because she's still dead in her glass coffin. The prince actually went up to her to provide true love's kiss, but a San Francisco newspaper deemed that she had yet to give consent. So therefore, he was sent back home. So here's another clip of Snow White at a random award show that is much less prestigious than ours.
And welcome to the 61st Academy Awards. Dear.
It is now time to reveal who came in 3rd place. This film garnered more votes than Monsters, Inc., but ultimately fell short of the other 2 finalists. To reveal who came in 3rd, we send it to our film and bracket analyst, Mr. John Knitter, who is in the middle of the woods on vacation.
Thank you, Brian. You know, third place is such a high honor, and any film should be excited to have gotten this far in the tournament and come in that position. I just personally, obviously, hope it's not Toy Story, because that would honestly super bum me out and ruin my entire vacation that I'm on right now. With that being said, let's look at the results. Third place goes to Toy Story? Are you serious? You know I voted for them. Why did you make me do this? You know what? I'm out. See you later. Stop following me. Leave me alone.
And just like that, bye-bye Pixar. Monsters, Inc. is out, Toy Story is out. Toy Story unfortunately joins its dear friend Toys R Us in the afterlife, as both of them are no longer with us. That means we are down to the final two. It's Beauty and the Beast and The Lion King. Ironically, this was the championship game last year with Beauty and the Beast coming out on top. So this year, will it repeat, or will Lion King finally get its revenge? Before we have the big reveal, there's one last thing we want to play you. We asked a bunch of random people who they wanted to win just to get some opinions on camera. So let's take a look at what they said.
I had heard that Disney's Enchanted was moving forward to one of the top rounds to kind of duke it out for that championship spot. So I just wanted to come on and say, vote for Enchanted. It's an amazing film.
No,
it earns...
It's not in this.
What?
That's not in.
It's not in this thing?
No.
Who the information? Yeah, no, I'm up here. I look idiot. Get them on the phone. Now. Cut the camera.
I want them all to win.
No. They can't all win. You have to vote for winner.
Well, I don't want to hurt any of their feelings,
They're movies from 20 years ago. They don't have feelings.
but I like them all equally.
Okay, just pick one. Just pick anyone, and we'll edit that. We'll do that.
Okay, one. I would say, based on its inspiring story, its biblical perspective, its truths, its inspiring music, I'd begrudgingly choose Prince of Egypt.
Okay, that's enough.
Brian and John, this is a hard one, but I think at the end of the day, there's only one real winner for this competition, and that is Treasure Planet was absolutely wrong.
Cut!
They're not
Cut!
telling us something.
Cut!
The system
Cut!
is rigged. Justice
Wow. It's not every day that you get to see an endangered species like a Treasure Planet die-hard fan. Solid movie. As John Cena would say, the time is now. It is time to reveal our 2021 Magic Final Four champion. 30,000 votes all comes down to this. So without further delay, what is the greatest Disney film of all time? King has been crowned. Lion King is your 2021 Magic Final Four champion. Redemption for losing in last year's championship to Beauty and the Beast. It pulls in 39.1% of the championship vote, a pretty wide margin over second place. Special thank you to everyone who followed along this 10-episode journey. I hope you had fun in the process. Don't forget, Inside the Magic launches our brand new video series next Saturday, Inside 300, where we get you caught up on all you need to know on the worlds of Disney and Universal in just 300 blazing fast seconds. For John Knitter, I'm Brian Perry. Once again, thank you for following along Magic Final Four.
Well,
and
that's
we will
it.
see you
The big
in
wrap-up, the happy ending, the grand finale.
It's over already?
Well, Pumba, that's the thing about endings. They come at the end.
Oh, can we watch it again?
Oh, no.
Hey, I brought extra butter.
Hey, you guys are watching...
Any story worth telling is worth telling. Why?
What the...
Oh, excuse me.
Get out of the way.
Who is this crowd? Hey, down in front.
Oh,
Ah, no.
Watch it! Okay, buddy, you win.
Sure you don't mind?
Hakuna Matata.